Assam bids farewell to beloved singer Zubeen Garg. Five killed in Kolkata from electrocution amid heavy rainfall. Seven killed in Maharashtra's Marathwada after heavy rainfall in the area. Centre moves to regulate India's booming coaching industry. Draft rules aim to curb misleading ads and give schools greater academic oversight. SC to deliver an order today on Himachal's climate crisis. Bench reviews state report on tree cover ecology. Court warns state should vanish in thin air if crisis persists. Trump links pain reliever Tylenol's use in pregnancy to autism, says it's not good, suggests leucovorin as a possible treatment. EAM Dr S Jaishankar meets US Secretary of State Marco Rubio for bilateral discussions in New York on the sidelines of the 80th UN General Assembly session amid H-1B visa fee hike now. Centre bans Nagaland-based organisation NSCN-K for the next 5 years, calling it a terror group and prohibiting all its activities across the country. India extends ban on Pakistan's airlines for a 6th consecutive month, continuing reciprocal airspace closure amid ongoing tensions.